Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do basic makeup tutorial that you would like to do by yourself and look professional. So we are starting by sculpting our lips like pro. We just applied the black lip liner and we went with the matte lipstick to just apply on the lips just to give it an ombre lip effect. So we didn't put lip gloss, we just went for the matte. So right now I'm just outlining my eyebrow, so we use this 5 dot method just to as a way of tracing the eyebrows, and we'll just connect the dots together just like that. So this is the easiest way you can do your eyebrows at home. You don't have to struggle doing eyebrows. Just do a 5 dot method and you connect them together. Don't worry about the shape because we are going to blend them and clean them with the concealer. So I just slightly shaded them and I didn't shade further going inside. So we are using this brush just to clean. So this brush, we just use it to sweep, so do not be harsh on it. And then we are going on with our concealer and the flat brush just to clean the eyebrow. So I'm just holding the brush down and I'll drag it just like that, down and drag it. It's not very difficult guys, it's quite easy. You just need to practice and you can do it even better. So I went with the blender just to blend. I'm pressing that concealer in just to remove the harsh lines just like that. And I'm going with the moisturizer, that's Gentle Magic moisturizer. Moisturize your under eye guys, it will be easier for your foundation. So you can go on with your primer then foundation. So we're using this Signature Store foundation. If you are in SA, you know where to get that Signature Store foundation. So you can use the beauty blender, you can use the Dem one, dip it in water, press out the water and you just tap your foundation in. It's as easier as that. And you go with your concealer just to remove the dark circle under eye. So this is basic makeup tutorial. Even if you are rushing you can manage. So we went with the concealer on the eyelid just to make our eyeshadow to stay, and with this powder pad we're just applying our setting powder just to brighten our under eye and setting our concealer just like that. So just look exactly where I am setting guys. So that's where I am setting exactly. You just need to do like that. Focus on tapping, do not drag, but just press in. I'm going with the foundation blender to press, and I went to apply blush. So the blush you can use is pinkish, not far from your skin tone, and I'm just going with this pink eyeshadow. So that's the pink eyeshadow I'm applying with a flat brush on my lid, and I went with the purplish on the outer corner. So guys, I'm just going to show you how I do. So this is the eye pencil. I just draw a line and deepen that line just like that. It doesn't need to be neat, and I'm just going to shade it. This takes a little bit of patience. Just do like a sweeping circular motion just to fade that eyeliner. It will just give a black, a shadowish effect that is nice. See how it's looking guys. You just give that warm tone to that pink. You see, it's a wing effect that is faded. And I'm just going to outline my lower lashes just like that. Then I go with my mascara. Don't forget mascara just add that flattery, especially on your lower lashes, and be careful not to mess up Guys, if you have been watching my video to this extent, don't forget to subscribe. This channel we do about hair, we do makeup, we do fashion, we just focus on looking good. So be part of this family, support me, and also I promise to be uploading videos that will be valuable to you. Love you guys. So that was the outcome. That's the outcome. We didn't do much. Let's see how we are looking. Love you.